Hello everyone, welcome to Afsara 24/7. My name is Niharika Walia Bhatnagar and I am with you with the specific area of accounting and financial management for bankers. How are we everyone? First of all, please share the session, like the session, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. Chaliye. An overview of cost and management accounting. That's what we're going to pick up today. Everyone, let's begin with this. Okay, everyone. Here comes the first question. Do you know when we talk about cost and management, these both things are interconnected? I know. Why is the financial accounting alone not sufficient in today's competitive environment? Cost and management are going hand in hand. Financial management today is definitely incomplete. It focuses on past data. नहीं. वैसे this is one of the major points there. Next point, it does not provide critical inputs for decision making. It doesn't. It is not accurate and up to date, or it is too expensive to maintain. What's the main problem with it, everyone? चलिए. Financial data's main problem is it does not provide critical inputs of decision making. It does provide about decision making, but still it is not very important. Management accounting highlights a lot of things which financial accounting fails to. Done. Next point. Which are the following important uses of cost and management accounting? To prepare the financial statements, to ensure the tax compliance, to provide information for the optimum utilization of the existing resources, and the last one, to manage payroll of the employees. Cost and management accounting is all related to the payroll of the employees, of course. We need to do this because we want to optimize our utilization for the resources, because financial management is not easy, है ना? And we have to ensure that financial management helps us further with cost management. In cost accounting, we are looking forward to cost ascertainment, cost creativity, and then what we do, then we take it to the decision making, that is financial management. Done. Why might the costing be more complicated for an organization producing multiple products? I think it can be, because the cost per unit is difficult to calculate. No, that's not that difficult. Sales price varies for each product, can definitely affect it, because cost must be allocated properly to each product. Cost has to be, and the market demand is different for each product. See, there can be multiple points there, but they are looking forward towards the best one. Why might costing be more complicated for an organization producing multiple products? The problem is their cost allocation would be difficult. Then done. Next point. What does the cost accounting involve? Everyone, only recording financial statements. Second point, only preparing financial statements. Identifying, measuring, recording, allocating, and communicating. And only budgeting. Costing is not something that is just finding the value. It is way bigger than that. Done? The correct answer is identifying, measuring, recording, allocating, economic. All these things are bigger. Isn't it? Chaliye, let's look at the answer. The answer is identifying, measuring, and all these things together. Next point. How was cost accounting used during the World Wars? During the World Wars, it is something which came into being. What did they do? To track the number of soldiers, to calculate the war expenses, or for deciding the defense contracts. Hanchi? Or to manage rationing of supplies. What's going to be the answer? What's going to be the answer? When we talk about the costing account during that period, they were actually looking at defense contracts. There's nothing you can do about the wars for sure. Whatever happens in the war is not in your hands, no? So in this case, what do you do? For deciding the price of the defense contracts and adding an agreed profit margin for the costs incurred in the supply. That is what you will do. है ना? Done. Now let's move on. Which of the following is not an objective of cost accounting, everyone? To record, analyze, classify all expenditures, to determine the date of each unit, operations, process and department, to compare the actual cost with the prevailing cost standard, and to prepare tax returns for the organization. Everyone? Let's look at the answer. When we talk about which of the following is not, basically it doesn't prepare the tax, everyone. Tax returns are not done by them. This is not their motive at all. है ना? Done? Next point. Which of the following is basically the cost unit as per the SEMA? Everyone? A unit of weight or distance, a unit of product, service in relation, or which the costs are ascertained, and the last part is the measurement of unit of performance or a standard unit of time. It is basically related to this product or a service, everyone. A product or service. Product is basically on the basis of what? Product is, how do we define the product? Product is basically anything which is physical and we use it. And service is what? Service is basically something which is non-physical. If I am a solicitor, then as a solicitor, I am not giving you a product, but I'm giving you services. Done? How is the cost per unit determined in the batch costing? There are different costing now. What do you mean by the term batch costing, everyone? In a batch, there's a specific lot that we are producing now. By dividing the total cost by the number of batches, by dividing the total cost by the number of units in the batch, then comes by averaging the cost of different products. And then what is it that they're saying? By estimating the single unit and by multiplying with the number of units. In a batch, you produce a certain amount of units. For example, medicines are produced in batch, which would expire at a certain period of time. Taken? That is to be covered here. In this case, the correct answer is B. You take up the entire batch, divide it by the number of units, and done. Done, everyone? Next point. Everyone, if you haven't taken up our courses, and hurry up at this point of time, you should be taking up our course because the time is ticking away. What is the concept of the day today? The concept of the day today is with different types of costing. But then when we talk about different types of costing, what does it include? Process costing. When you have multiple processes, it's called process costing. Then comes contract cost, which is related to the area of contracts that we make. This is basically related to the area of contract costing can be related to the specific area of production. In terms of, if I'm constructing a particular house, then the particular person goes to the site and then prepares it. So you prepare the contract. Unit costing, which is related to the units of an organization per unit, whatever we are making. Batch costing. Batch costing means when you are looking forward towards different units produced in one particular lot. Multiple costing is basically of all the units all together. Uniform means for the entire organization and the way they're working is all the same. And operating expenses. Everyone? Operating costing is based upon what? Operating costing is based upon the specific area of operations of the organization. है ना? Done, everyone. These are the different types of costing which exist in the area of costing altogether. Acha, everyone, do you know the triple benefit is available? Now, what do you mean by the term triple benefit? At this point of time, we are having price drop, we are having double validity on our Mahapack, and 80% discount. So hurry up, because I think this is the perfect time. Everybody who's investing on a long-term basis, that means you're giving the next exam. This is a win-win situation for you. Let me show you what to do. Go on to our website www.adda247.com. Go on to the area of JAIIB Mahapack 2.0. Here comes our Power Pack revision batch. This revision batch is available at the lowest cost right now, everyone. Use the code Y541. The IE and FS classes and RBWM classes has just started. So at this point of time, you can get for 1826, hardly 1800 rupees, and 1826 rupees, and then you can get all the courses of related to the four subjects. Then, everyone, all the very best for your examination. And everyone, the most important thing is, if you're planning to purchase our Mahapack, then you can get it at validity. This 80% discount is also available. So 79% plus 1% is available if you download the app. So you should definitely download the app to get this particular course right away. Everyone, make sure that you're getting it as early as possible, because every minute taking away is an opportunity lost. Don't let this opportunity go away. Thank you so much for being there. Bye bye.